Hi, I would like to explain to you in this video how to full upload the video to YouTube. Maybe tell yourself that uploading a video but does not want any lesson. If you are unfamiliar with YouTube, you're faced with some fees when uploading a video, each of which has its own job that should be familiar to it. This will give you a good channel. In this video I will explain to you step by step. Welcome to YouTube tutorial. I am Omar and this OM with YouTube channel. I would like to explain YouTube you in full from 0 to 100 to be able to reach a better result in a very short time. Go to upload a video. First one, go to youtube.com. This is the channel I present the holy lesson on this channel. Click on the OV Create Upload option. Let's click on the Reel Select option. Let's click on the Select File. Select the file and click on the option to upload the file. Let's go to first write title for video. Let's go to write description for video is very important for the video. Now I can paste here. Now let's go to thumbnail option. Upload the specific thumbnail you have prepared for the video. I have made a video of how to create a YouTube thumbnails that I will upload for you. Click on the upload file and select file and click on the open option. Now uploading thumbnail. Now let's choose the place. We don't have place. I want to make it. Click on the create a place. Select the new place. Click on it. Write the title for place. Love more for you. Let's click on the create here to see which is your choose. Now click on down option. Let's tell below that we don't choose my video for kids. Okay, now let's add a tags for the video below. I write very high game and game that you can write about everything. Let's choose the video language below. For example, English for me. You can choose any language. Let's go below as the most important choice to opt for video. That should be the choice. If there is no choice, the names of your video will not go to your subscribers. Let's choose the select categories. For example, here for the game. Now let's choose the basic for the comment. Okay. Now let's click on next option. Now go to the next page. Here we can add a subtitle to the video and we can also link to a video. Let's get to the add card. Click on the add option. Now link to a video. Select the video and click on the sub option. Now go to the next page. Check out our video here that is copyrighted. Now our video is correct, no problem. Let's click on the next option. Now go to the next page. There should be a public choice so that Onion can watch your video. Let's go to the schedule option. Here we can specify the time to upload the video, which is very important. We have videos in upload and these costs. Be sure to watch another video. The video upload process is completely open. Now you can upload videos in the same way and get better result. Now let's click on publish option and spread on social media tag this link.
If you have watched the full video and benefited you, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel to get to you our new video.
And your support is very important.
Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.